Hey guys, it's Cassie. I'm lying on my bed and I am going to be showing you guys some animal and different sounds that Google makes. Here we go. Okay, Google. Fart.
This is a fart.
That's Google farting.
Okay, Google, can you burp? No, never.
Yeah.
Okay, Google, can you cry like a baby?
This is a baby sound.
Stop button. Cassadom, Cassadom, testing, 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 wait, test, do you read?
What sound does a police car make?
This is a police car.
What did you do, Cassie?
Okay, Google. What does a fire engine sound like?
This is a fire engine.
Okay, Google. What does an ambulance sound like?
This is an ambulance.
Okay, Google, what does a cow sound like?
This is a cow.
Okay, Google. What does a chicken sound like?
This is a chicken.
Okay, Google. What does a rooster sound like?
This is a rooster.
Okay, Google, what does a monkey sound like?
This is a howler monkey.
Okay, Google. What does a gorilla sound like?
Ooh.
This is a gorilla.
Okay, Google, what does a leopard sound like?
This is a leopard.
Okay, Google.
Your keys.
What does a jaguar sound like?
I have no idea.
This is a jaguar.
So those are actually the sounds that me and my brother asked Google to make. And the one with the ambulance sound, my brother actually my brother actually put his head down. He went like this. Kind of like that. So that's what he did when I asked Google when I asked Google what does an ambulance sound like. So yeah, so that's what he did. So maybe in a little bit I might go over to his room and maybe record some more Google stuff. So yeah.